Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, headmistresses, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to you all. Today's gathering is the most unusual and the largest gathering we ever had online. We are well over 190 of us partaking in this from our very own living rooms. We have gathered together to bid farewell to our dear colleagues. Unfortunately, we are in such a delicate time that none of us ever dreamt that we would not be able to meet for such a long time, and especially not able to meet in person to bid farewell to our dear colleagues, Mrs. Ananya Datta, Mrs. Sumi Matthew, Mrs. Sri Rekha Hari Kumar, and Mrs. Kavita Koshi, who have contributed immensely to this institution. Mrs. Ananya Datta and Mrs. Sumi Matthew were part of this institution for the last 10 years. Mrs. Sri Rekha for 5 years and Mrs. Kavita Koshi for 4 years. Before we begin with the day's proceedings, let us all join in prayer, asking God to bless our dear friends as they have decided to move on. May Almighty God guide and protect them all through their life's journey. Now I request Mrs. Lucy Cherian to kindly lead us in prayer.
Respected Devi sir, Vinitha ma'am, Harvinda ma'am, and all HMs and my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. As Mr. Roderick said, we are here to bid farewell to our dear 4 teachers, Kavita, Sri Rekha, Ananya, and Sumi. Good days give you happiness. Bad days give you experience. Worst days give you lessons. Best days give you memories. Dear Kavita, Sri Rekha, Ananya, and Sumi, you all have given us happiness and sweet memories that we shared together. Now let's pray. Heavenly Father, we would like to start this farewell meeting with your grace, blessing, and presence. Lord, we were truly lucky to have these teachers work with us. Heavenly Father, as they are leaving, we want this farewell marks a new beginning in their lives. Father in heaven, help them in all their endeavors and bring success to their doorstep. Lord, grant them abundant prosperity on everything they put their hand to. Lord, we pray and bless their family in your name. Lord, bless our school, our students, and our teachers. Lord, help us to overcome this pandemic and our physical, mental, and social lockdown with your peace and grace from above, which surpasses all our understanding. We ask you in your mighty name, amen. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And now to set the ball rolling, I request our Vice Principal, Mrs. Vinitha Munshi, to kindly address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
I request Ms. Ananya Datta, Mrs. Sumi Matthew, Mrs. Sri Rekha, and Mrs. Kavita to switch on your cameras, please.
Thank you, Lucy ma'am, for the wonderful words of praise for our teachers. A very good morning to our principal sir, headmistress ma'am, the HODs, and our special faiths family members for today, Miss Sumi, Miss Ananya, Miss Kavita, and Miss Sri Rekha, and to all our dear colleagues on this virtual platform of Teams. Our staff meeting, as we called it, is in fact a small gesture from the Faiths family to thank our dear teachers who have decided to leave due to more pertinent matters on hand to attend. A warm and hearty welcome to each one of you on this bright and sunny day, although we are sitting in the comforts of our homes, as Roderick sir said, in our living rooms, and attending to this virtual meet. We thank God that even when all doors of meeting physically are closed, He showed the light for the Faiths family to team up on the Teams platform to reunite virtually and bid farewell to our multitasking members of FABE's family, Miss Summi, Miss Ananya, Miss Kavita, and Miss Srirekha, who have played the role of not only mentors, class teachers, house wardens, and mothers during their tenure in FABES, thus contributing to the overall growth of not only a single student, but the entire institution. The contribution by each one of you teachers is indeed immense, and FABE's family should always be indebted to each one of you. I remember when Miss Summi joined us in the staff room, she was the most techno-savvy teacher of our staff room. And she's one teacher who made maths interesting and reachable to our students when, it's a subject which most people, most children, they dread. The ones who enjoy actually really enjoy, but she has done a marvelous job of making maths interesting and reachable to students. Laboriously worked as house warden and as a class teacher. Ms. Ananya, your innovations and creativity as activity coordinator knew no bounds, tirelessly striving to get the best on stage for each program. Ms. Srirekha, I remember, stepped into FABE's family, and although she was a very senior teacher, she was coming from Saudi, and she stepped in to help us because we were in urgent need for a primary English teacher, and very willingly she stepped up and took control of the classroom and tackled the work of the primary English department very nicely and very methodologically. Thank you, Srirekha, to helping us in those times of need. Kavita ma'am, you have been an extremely hardworking teacher and you've never lost hope on any one of our children. And personally also, Kavita, I thank you for taking all the workloads smilingly. I'll not take much more of your time, teachers, but I would also like to express my gratitude to all these teachers who have contributed to the CBSE results for FABES. You have made us proud each year with your loads of hard work and brought excellent results for the school each year. As I said, we will not take any more of your time, but we pray and hope that wherever you go and whatever your reason be for abandoning this journey with FABES, may God fulfill all your wishes and keep you and your family safe and protected. They may not have spent a decade teachers with us, but they are leaving a big void amongst all the student fraternity as well as the staff. I'm sure if we were in corridors, we would have liked to hold them back and request them to stay. But as we said, they have more pertinent matters in hand. They need to attend to them. Teachers, keep in touch and God bless you. And I'm sure, God willing, we definitely will cross road once again. God bless you. Personally, thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinita ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for setting the ball rolling. I request.
Welcome, sir.
It was lovely. You said everything, really covered everything that was to be said about them. And there's a lot more to be said, I guess. And yeah, now I request our Mrs. Vani Agarwal, our very own Hindi poet, to say a few lines. She has penned down some beautiful lines and she's going to read them out to you.
आदरणीय सर, विनीता मैम, हरविंदर मैम, सभी विभाग अध्यक्ष एवं मेरी सहकर्मी मित्र, जगजीत ने अपनी गजल में लिखा है, हाथ छूटे तो रिश्ते नहीं छूटा करते। और आज जब इस समय सारा देश, पूरा विश्व ठहर सा गया है, परंतु रिश्तों ने पूरी शिद्दत के साथ अनुभूति के नए पृष्ठ खोल दिए हैं। आज का दिन फेब्स फैमिली के लिए, हम सब के लिए बहुत मर्म स्पर्शी, भावभीनी और उदासी भरा है। आप सभी विद्यालय के हर कोने में अपनी गहरी छाप छोड़कर जा रहे हैं, जो कभी आंखों में तैरेगी और कभी कानों में गूंज उठेगी। अनन्या मैम का दमयंती की अभिभावक बनकर आना और आज तक की यात्रा से भला कौन परिचित नहीं होगा। विद्यालय के हर क्षेत्र में बखूबी काम करके अपनी पहचान बनाई, और तो और इनकी सिल्क की साड़ियां और ऊंची हील भी हमें यदा कदा याद आती ही रहेगी। श्री रेखा मैम का सफर बहुत वर्षों का नहीं रहा, किंतु ये विशेषता इनमें रही कि इन्होंने कुछ समय में ही सभी के दिलों में अपनी एक विशेष जगह बनाई। इनका व्यक्तित्व बहुत स्पष्ट, सुलझावा व परिपक्व था और सदा अपने खुले बालों से मुस्कान बिखेरती रही। कविता मैम के आते ही हमने यह सुना कि एक बहुत अच्छी इकोनॉमिक्स की टीचर आई हैं और इन्हें मैंने विद्यालय के गलियारों में दौड़ते और भागते ही देखा। पर अरे, कल की तो खबर आई कि सुमी भी जा रही है। मैं तो स्तब्ध ही रह गई। अभी तो पिछला हिसाब ही बाकी नहीं हुआ था। स्टाफ रूम के समोसे और कचौड़ी भी आने थे और आपके हाथ का बना केक भी तो खाना था। पर ठीक है सुमी मैम, रास्ते में हाथ छोड़ रही हैं, पर जाने यूं ना देंगी, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चों को इतनी रोचकता से हिसाब किताब कौन सिखाएगा। आप ना जाएं, आज भी मन यही कहता है। दो चार पंक्तियों की एक कविता भी पढ़ूंगी कि आज हम तुम्हें विदाई देते हैं। धूप छांव सा सबका जीवन, कुछ मिलते हैं कुछ दूर हुए, हर अक्षर जो अपना सा था बेगाना सा हो जाता है। तुम दूर भले ही जाते हो, पर साथ यादों की सौगातों की गठरी भी तो लेते जाते हो और कुछ देते जाते हो। नए सफर की खुशियों को दामन में तुम भरते जाना। दरे दीवारें पूछेंगी जब, तब कौन उन्हें उत्तर देगा। जाते जाते इन प्रश्नों के तुम उत्तर भी समझाते जाना। विद्यालय की दुनिया भी है एक अजब पहेली है। अपने बनते बेगाने हैं, फिर बेगानों से हम जुड़ जाते हैं। यही सिलसिला चलता है, अब हम तुम्हें विदाई देते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I'm sure they will remember those beautiful lines that you said. There's so much to say. Over to our headmistress, Ms. Harvinder Anand, to express her thoughts in few words.
Good morning, Ravi sir, Vinita ma'am, headmistress, and all my dear teachers. We have all gathered on this platform to bid a farewell to Ananya, Kavita, Sumi ma'am, and Sri Rekha ma'am. This, I feel we are not meeting for the last time. It is just a formality. It's not a goodbye. I'm sure when we all get back to work, knowingly, unknowingly, we will be searching for your smiley faces. We are all so used to wishing one another in those corridors of FAPES. Each of you have contributed wholeheartedly, so be it in your department or any school program. You all were definitely an asset to the institution. You all will be missed. But you are moving ahead for your better future to take up your responsibilities. All the best to each one of you for your future endeavors. God bless, keep in touch, and फिर मिलेंगे दोस्त. Thank you.
So much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Harvinder ma'am.
Thank you so much.
No
ma'am.
worries.
And
No worries.
yes, and now to set the day to the rhythm with a song, we have Mr. Vinod Vasudevan, all set to sing a evergreen song on friendship. Over to our FAPS Kishore Kumar.
morning to you all. Today, I would like to dedicate this song to our dear teachers who are bidding farewell today. So this is from Sholay. It shows the importance of the friendship.
The mic a little bit closer, sir.
दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे अरे मेरी जीत तेरी हाँ मेरी हाँ सुनिए मेरे यार मेरा गम मेरी जान तेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार जान पे पीतेंगे तेरे लिए लेंगे जान पे पीतेंगे तेरे लिए लेंगे सबसे दुश्मनी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर हम मगर देखो तो नहीं अरे है जुदा या खफा है खुदा है दुआ ऐसा हो नहीं खाना पीना साथ है मरना जीना साथ है खाना पीना साथ है मरना जीना साथ है सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे नहीं तोड़ेंगे तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. You really took me down the memory lane. Next, we have Mrs. Hussaina Ali, HOD Economics, to express her views.
Good morning. Respected Ravi sir, Vinita ma'am, Harvinder ma'am, all the guests of honor, and my dear colleagues. It's really sad to be calling it a farewell. And this is my special message to Kavita. It's been 4 years and so, but it seems a really long association with you. And your simplicity, your punctuality, being approachable is something that I admire the most. And to all present here, I think I must confess, I never heard a no for an answer from her in so many years. And I always saw you helping everyone around with a smile. And it was not a part of your duty, and yet you were willing to help. I've always seen you sharing work with others. That has been something that I have admired, and I would really love to adapt and to learn. You've been a friend to all. You are trustworthy. You are empathetic. And I think it goes on to add adjectives for you. You've been like a therapy in my life, and I'm sure in most of us whom you interacted with. We can just pour our heart out to you. And I'm sure same was with students as well. So easily you blend in and mingle around that you become an integral part of every person you interact with. And it's such a great loss to the department to see you leave. You were a blessing, and your resignation is going to create an irreplaceable vacuum forever. It's not just now that I'm going to start to miss you. I have actually been missing you all along in these online classes also. So stay blessed, keep in touch, keep touching people's lives the way you do. Wishing you good luck and wishing loads of success to Rohit and Rohan in their future ventures. And I'm sure with you as their guiding light, nothing is going to go wrong with them. A big thank you to you from all of us. And apologies if there was anything offensive. It was definitely never intentional. A virtual tight hug to you. And Sumi, Shrireka, and Ananya, it was a wonderful association with you. Surely the colorful smile, that aura that you had, all three of you, will be really missed. So miss you all, wishing good luck to all of you. And thank you so much. I love you all.
Thank you so much, Hussaina.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now next we have is our very soft-spoken Mrs. Matangi Prabhakar, HOD English, has something to say.
Oh, thank you, Roderick sir. That was good. Anyway, good morning, Ravi sir, Vinita ma'am, Arvinder ma'am, and all our dear colleagues. I know this. We have all heard this expression: "Parting is sad, heart is heavy when we have to assemble for a farewell." Believe me, till today it had all been a cliched expressions. I never gave much thought about it, but today, when I have to speak a few lines for my colleagues with whom I have associated more than on a professional plane, it was almost a personal level. I feel the impact of these statements, and I feel so sad. I feel bad that they are all leaving, because Miss Ananya, Miss Kavita, Shrireka, and Sumi have all been wonderful teachers, and I've interacted with them at several levels. And coming to Shrireka, of course, my association with her started, I think, about 5 years ago, when she joined our department. And from that day onwards, we have strike it off. We have shared a great rapport, and it is her lively and her pleasant nature. I'm sure she was able to captivate everyone's heart, and she was able to strike a rapport with not just the teacher, her colleagues, but also with the students, and they too remember her very fondly. Regarding her work in the department, she not just became an integral part to the department, but then she started becoming an asset, someone whom I could rely on, and she was a willing worker, take up all the challenges and accept the demands of workload. You know, English is always overloaded. Whether it's a house activity or whether it's any other activity, I always could bank on her. And her work was always meticulous, systematic, completing deadlines on time. And Sri Rekha, I tell you, I'll really miss you personally. I'll really miss you as a friend. And of course, as a teacher in a department, you will always be missed. So on behalf of all my teachers, all I have to say is that the memories that we spent with you will always remain with us. And the impact will be more when we actually enter the physical classroom, when we go to your staff room and we don't find you there, or when I have an FM and we miss you there. So believe me, I'm sure all my teachers agree to this, and we'll all really miss you. Stay blessed. And I also take this opportunity to wish my other colleagues, or I should say friends, Ananya, Kavita and Sumi, a very happy future to all of you, and may all your dreams come true. Thank you all of you. Stay blessed.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, we have, to keep the rhythm going on, Mr. Surjit Goyal, who will enthrall us with Jagjit Singh's ghazal. Over to you, sir.
बेकरार है कि नहीं, झुकी झुकी सी नजर बेकरार है कि नहीं, दबा दबा सा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं, झुकी झुकी सी नजर। तू अपने दिल की दवा धड़कनों को गिन के बता, तू अपने दिल की दवा धड़कनों को गिन के बता, मेरी तरह तेरा दिल बेकरार है कि नहीं, दबा दबा सा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं, झुकी झुकी सी नजर। तेरी उम्मीद पे ठुकरा रहा हूँ दुनिया को। तेरी उम्मीद पे ठुकरा रहा हूँ दुनिया को। तुझे भी अपने पे ये एतबार है कि नहीं। दबा दबा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं। झुकी झुकी सी नजर वो पल के जिसमें मोहब्बत जवान होती है। वो पल के जिसमें मोहब्बत जवान होती है। उस एक पल का तुझे इंतजार है कि नहीं। दबा दबा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं। झुकी झुकी सी नजर बेकरार है कि नहीं। दबा दबा सही दिल में प्यार है कि नहीं। झुकी झुकी सी नजर। Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Could you please show us your face?
Thank you.
All would like to see that beautiful face that was behind that. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, and next we have a man of few words, Mr. Latif Ahmed, HOD Mathematics, who would like to sum up with his thoughts with few words.
Yeah, good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and my dear friends. My message is for Sumi Ma'am. Ma'am, you are an exceptional teacher who is highly committed promoting discipline and education in the school. Thank you for all your dedication, support, and cooperation, ma'am. You have shown to us over the years. We will really miss you, ma'am. As you leave the school, we wish you all the best for the rest of your life. I will also take an opportunity to wish all the best to Shireka ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Ananya ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you
Latif,
very
sir.
much, sir. Next, we have the one and only lady in the house who's going to sing the song for us, Mrs. Megha Juneja. She will sing a song originally sung by India's pride and melody queen. Over to Mrs. Megha.
Sure. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Vice Principal ma'am, Headmistress ma'am. A small rendition from me to all of you. I hope you will like it. अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जब पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। मुबारक की तुम्ही कि तुम किसी का नूर हो गए, मुबारक की तुम्ही कि तुम किसी का नूर हो गए, किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे, किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे, ये शाम जब भी आएगी तुम हमको याद आओगे, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Megha.
Thank you, ma'am. Was that really you or was that a track playing It sounded very much like Lata Mangeshkar. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that mesmerizing song.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yeah. All right. And next we go ahead with the very active person who's actively involved, Mrs. Sujata Sharma, activity coordinator. Wish to say adieu.
Hello. Good afternoon, respected Ravi sir, Vinita ma'am, Harvinder ma'am, Lucy ma'am, Vani ma'am, and all our beautiful HODs. Thank you. It's so good to be connected, my beautiful colleagues, with you all. Well, after hearing such lovely songs and ghazals and the apt speeches by my colleagues, I don't know where do I stand in this galaxy of stars, but I'll try. I'll just share my thoughts with all of you. As they have planned to move ahead, my beautiful 4 stars. I don't know where and how to start with, but yes, they will leave a great impression on our minds and in our school. They have contributed immensely to the institutions, and I have been very lucky to have worked so closely with them, with these talented people, making this workplace so much of fun. I think somebody is humming the song. They love the song. They're singing this Ajit Rasta here behind. I can hear it. Anyways, well, it was real fun having all of you, the 4 beautiful ladies, Ananya, Sumi, Sri Rekha, and Kavita, ever smiling. But yes, whenever they see me around the corridors, they used to say, "Not me, please, give it to somebody else." That was the memories which I still have, and it was real fun. And for Ananya, I have been associated with her since last 10 years, together in one department, working together from 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and as a partner with my activity for the last 5 years. She is a gem of a person, very talented, very creative, always, like Vani ma'am said, swashing the corridors with her lovely silk saris and high stilettos. I will always miss, and always ready to say, ho jayega. Okay, you go, no, I will do it. Otherwise, when she had to go, she said, you do it, I am not doing it. Okay, you better do it. Okay, ma'am, I used to say. So that's the fun part, in friends. So I feel it will be a big void for us in the school, in every field, but that's how life is. But that virtual media is here. We all will be connected with each other anywhere, anytime. I feel I can approach you. So please be connected and be in touch. Love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And the next we have is, since the list is endless, our teachers have come up with a brilliant idea to wish you in one voice. Let's see what they have got to say. Over to Alisa. Could you please put in the presentation?
Yes. Good afternoon, Ravi sir. Good afternoon, Vinita ma'am, and good afternoon, my dear colleagues. I will be sharing my screen. So
sad to know that 4 of our beloved teachers will no longer continue to be a part of the school. Indeed, all of them will really be missed. Kavita ma'am, Ananya ma'am, Sri Rekha ma'am, and Sumi ma'am. If I try to figure out what's that one common factor that makes our students so fond of you, I think it's the fact that all of you always made sure that we were comfortable with you, that we could be free and open with you. And that made us feel like we could always come to you to share our problems because we knew you'd listen to us and understand us and guide us in the right way. Indeed, all you teachers have been like a second mother to us. And for that, on behalf of the entire student body, I'd like to say thank you very much. And we're all going to be very grateful all our lives for all that you've done for us. Once again, on behalf of the students, I wish you the very best of luck for your future. And I hope everybody stays safe and stays happy. Goodbye.
It is with extreme difficulty that I bid farewell to some of the most beloved teachers of this institute, Ananya ma'am, Sri Rekha ma'am, Kavita ma'am, and Sumi ma'am. As you leave, I will miss seeing you in the corridors, in the school events, or in the class. You have left such a deep imprint on all your students. It's not just your teachings, but you were also a friend, a guide, a mentor. As you leave, you will continue to live in our hearts, in our prayers, and you will motivate us and inspire us daily. On behalf of the entire student community, thank you so much, ma'am. We love you.
My dear teachers, thank you for everything you have done for us to make sure that we excel. Your seriousness, your humor, and your caring attitude have all molded us into what we are today and made our childhood memorable. Sorry for all the trouble that we caused. It's really sad that we can't meet one more time because of this lockdown. But teachers, we all love you and we'll miss you a lot and we wish you the very best. Even if everyone turns their back on you, us, your beloved students, will always be there with you, like you were there with us all the time. Thank you for everything once again. Stay safe and take care.
Yeah, those were our children that wanted to express their views
now the
and
PowerPoint
their
presentation.
love for teaching. Yes, sir. Please go in. The video has
Hello. Hello.
Sorry to interrupt in the middle. I was told the PowerPoint presentation got hang or some lag was there. So should I play from the beginning once again?
Yeah, please, sir. Please go from the beginning.
Okay. And someone's mic is still on. It's creating disturbance in the middle. Please, I request all the teachers to mute your mic, please.
Thank you. And now, thank you, sir. After everyone, I would like our principal, sir, to speak to our four pearls express his words of wisdom.
Good morning, everyone. 20th of June 2020, a memorable day. We are all assembling on a channel to say so-called farewell, though the meaning doesn't come fully there, because we left the school, I think, on 24th February, and our meetings were like this, and I'm sure in future also we would be able to meet like this, even Sri Rekha or Sumi, Ananya, Kavita. With all these people, we'll be able to meet, so that feeling of farewell doesn't arise and it doesn't come also. But officially, we know that what happens with us. The time is very tough. All of you know that because of the pandemic. And also we hear the news like, the recent one was the Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide. People have gone to a state of mind where life becomes, they feel life is meaningless. There is no meaning in living further. It's a very sad thing to happen, but it happens. It is very unfortunate that you might have noticed that someone cuts a joke. We laugh on the first time, but the second and third time the same joke comes, we don't feel like laughing, and we get bored. But it doesn't happen with our sadness. With the same sorrow, the same melancholy, we keep revising it in mind and we cry on that. I don't know why is it. When we are happy, everything's happy around us. When we are sad, everything bad for us. But the happiness goes very fast, but sadness persists. Definitely it is because of our state of mind. There is no doubt about it. Mind is a very powerful thing. And those who can conquer the mind's action or the mind's dealings can be happy anytime and every time. We always live in the present. That is the most important aspect. We do not know tomorrow is there. Yesterday has already gone. So what exists, what remains is only today. To keep people happy, we have to happy. We have to spread happiness around us. Then only the remaining people will be getting the radiations of happiness, so-called radiations. They should be able to feel it. It's a state of mind, as I said. You might have heard that a surgery can be done even without giving any sort of anesthesia. A person can be hypnotized, and even painful surgery can be done without having a bit of pain. How is it possible? Again, you can understand that that is a strength of mind. If we are able to control our mind, if we are able to keep our mind steady, everything is a pleasure-filled experience. It is easy to speak, but it is difficult to practice. But if you try, nothing is difficult. So keeping our mind steady is very important. And at this age, we should start practicing it little by little. As Mrs. Cherian in her prayer mentioned that we are all in a lockdown state physically, but mentally we are not locked down. We are not locked down. We are having a nice time with all our colleagues here online. We are interacting, beautiful songs, poems. See, we are interacting. We are not locked down. We are finding out various new ways not to get locked down. That is the human nature, and we are powerful. We have the ability of doing all these things with us. I just tell you a small story of a carpenter. You might have heard it, but still I thought at this moment it will be meaningful. A carpenter was working under a person, and he was getting a good salary. But after a couple of years, he felt to stop the work and go back, as many of us feel after a certain stage or because of certain reasons, enough now, let me go back and take rest. We retired from our job. So he decided to quit his job, and one day he came and spoke to his owner. Owner means the boss, his boss, and said that, sir, I have been working for a long time with you, around 30 years. Now I think I have a substantial amount of money with me, which will be sufficient for me to live my life till my death. My children are all settled, and let me retire myself with effect from next week. So what happened is that the boss said, do one thing. Anyway, you decided to leave. My last wish that you please make one last house, a beautiful house, before you leave. He was a carpenter, but he planned architecting, everything he can do this olden days. So he started working, but by the time he decided to leave, what happened? His workmanship became shoddy, and he was he was feeling like, what is this? So just one more house, finish the the work and go. That enthusiasm, the exuberation was not there. Exuberance was not there. So he started working. He used the substandard materials, whatever he got, and he made a house, and everything is ready. He went to the boss and said that, the boss, the last project what you gave is ready, and this is the key. So boss came, and so he had been seeing all these houses, what he constructed, what he designed and completed projects, and he called him to the office, and they were having a chit chat there, and said, anyway, you decided to leave, so you served me for last 30 years, and here is something I kept for you to give it. And he said this, and he took the key what is given by the carpenter for the latest house he made, and gave it to the carpenter and said that, see, this is my gift for your hard work for last 30 years. So when he got it, he got a shock of lifetime. What happened when he decided to leave? He started thinking that, what is this? This is one more house in that. So he lost that enthusiasm, and he could not do any of his masterpiece in that house while he constructing. And it was a substandard house. Materials were substandard. So that time he thought that, see, I could have used a better thing than better things and better designs, and I could have thought what must be the best in so far what I made. Then my house would have been the best one as the gift. So I just told this: any time in life, never ever lose that confidence and that attitude. Keep the choosing the right things, and at the same time attitude. Keeping the right attitude always makes us a happy person. These are dearest colleagues, Mrs. Sri Rekha, Mrs. Sumi, Mrs. Ananya, and Mrs. Kavita. When I left in 2016 June, they all were here, and I have never ever thought that there will be an opportunity coming, given by God, that I'll be meeting you all again. But it happened. So life is not as we plan. It is decided by someone else, or we can think like that. But what I say that whatever happened, even that moment when we decide to leave, be happy, be contented, and do the best in every day. You have put your best effort to the school, and considering myself as an example, I still look forward that you all four may be coming back and joining in DPS any day, because that is life. We cannot even predict what is going to happen. Things are happening what we never predicted. Things are going to happen what we cannot predict, and definitely we are all a part of it. As Mr. Kidwai said, the world has gone to almost like dogs now because of the COVID-19, because of our activities only. This human activity, whether we can say that God has sent this COVID-19, but I look at it in a different perspective, that human activity, human selfishness had led to this particular situation, and we are suffering now. So this is the right time in every field, not only in education, not only in medicine, every field of our lives, this is a thought-provoking time, and we can emerge. We can emanate from these difficult times, and we can be individual, or we can be beautiful human beings, what's supposed to be on earth. Mrs. Sri Rekha, Mrs. Sumi, and Mrs. Ananya and Mrs. Kavita. I think when you leave the school, I'm sure that there's a moment of pain, but you must be having your own reasons why we should leave. But wherever you are, whatever you do, I wish you all the best. And also, I would suggest, or I would request from my side, and I'm not no one to give you an advice, but from my side, there's a request that wherever you go, whatever you do, my request is that please be grateful to everything what we get from God or what we get today. The gratefulness, whenever you pray, let your eyes fill with tears of gratitude. Oh God, you have given me all these things. Never count on things what we never received in life, and that makes us very happy. And second is be very mindful. Whatever you do, put your complete mind in that. Enjoy everything. I used to tell my students that the policy, I call it as a Karela policy. Karela means, all of you know, it is bitter God. So when I was a child, Karela, the bitter God, was horrible for me, for that matter, for any child. But over the years, when I learned about the benefits of bitter God, I started eating it by saying myself that no, it is not bitter. It is a different taste. It is not bitter. It is a altogether different taste. Let me learn to enjoy this bitterness. Keep on saying, one day mind started enjoying it. So this is a very simple thing. Any one of us could try that. Keep on saying that no, this is not a bad time. This time God has given me for emerging out. The time God has given me to find out the best human being in me, and see that how the life turns into a beautiful experience. You know that happy people are not grateful always, but all grateful people are happy always. If you analyze, you can see that. And last but not the least, I would say that be soulful. Be soulful here, I mean, again, little bit of self or introspection has to be done every day. When you go to bed, just think about how much I could help others, what good I did today, or did I do something bad to anyone? And see that if something has gone bad, rectify it on the next day. You can even apologize. You can tell that, so it was by mistake, I never thought like that, and see how the life is going to change for each one of us. And I wish all of you a very prosperous and a very beautiful life ahead, and hoping each one of you to come back to DPS, praying for that if it's not a difficult time for you, because you have done brilliant, you played a brilliant innings, I should say, with the school, and you have set a standard for your department as an individual teacher for you. So that was, and also my beautiful songs and poems rendered by Mr. Surjit. I never knew, Mr. Surjit, you are a born singer. Beautiful, lovely. Thank you for that song. Okay, and Mr. Vinod, I heard
Thank you,
before
sir.
also. He's a magician also. That's what I said, the magic with the song. And Miss Megha, you took the day great, very nice rendering. Before also we had once I think we had I had a chance to listen to your song. And Vani ma'am's poem, we all been hearing it, so it is excellent. Nice wordings to express the feeling what we have now. Thank you so much. So we always, when I started, also I should thank all these people. There is a lot of thanks, but from my side, Mr. Rodrigues and Mr. Bikram and Mrs. Vinita Munshi and Mrs. Harvinder, all these people had took a lot of effort for organizing it, and all teachers and all HODs, all the teachers, and from primary school, Miss Seema and Mr. Abnam, and from KG, Miss Bharati and Ms. Ira. Thank you so much for making this day a special one for all our dear colleagues, all the 4 dear colleagues. I would like to say, as I started, am I audible? And I also asked, am I visible? The same way, I would like to ask one more question. Each one of us should ask every day, am I happy? Thank you. Thank you very much, and have a good day.
Thank you so much, sir. We all need to ponder on the precious words that you spoke. As many says that, the world is under renovation. We hope the world heals soon and we get back to our lives. It's always hard to say goodbye, especially when we have been associated for a long period of time. Many will feel the void of your presence, especially in the staff rooms. I'm sure they would love to hear you say few words before you leave this institution. So over to Mrs. Ananya Datta. Could I have your camera on, please, ma'am? And we would like to see your face once again.
Good afternoon, Ravi sir, Harvinder ma'am, Vinita ma'am, and to everyone. Thank you so much for this lovely gesture. I am deeply touched that even in these times, all of you took the time out to virtually connect and bid us adieu. What to say? I thought the poems, the song, the nazm, the speeches, the presentations, I loved each and everything. I'm honored for making it so very special for me. My time in DPS will always be a chapter in my life that I will treasure. I will always look back with gratitude and cherish all the beautiful memories that I have gathered in the past decade. So, thank you. Thank you, Ravi sir. Thank you to all my colleagues for continuously support the support which you gave me. I'm going to miss all the laughter and the joy that I found in those classrooms, the corridors, my staff room. Thank you. Thank you so much. I felt emotional, but my throat is choking.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, it was lovely interacting with you. And every time there was something, you would always come with a smile. And even if I had to get angry about something, you would say, sir, it's okay. Well, let's do it. So that's really beautiful of you. We'll really miss you. I request Mrs. Sumi Matthew to please express yourself.
Good afternoon, Ravi sir, Vinita ma'am, Harvinder ma'am, Deepa ma'am, to all my colleagues. It was a wonderful meeting. You've organized such a grand farewell in such a short time. I'm so grateful to that. I'll be cherishing this memory in my mind always. Thank you so much. It's so overwhelming. My heart is actually overwhelming with emotions. It's very difficult to bid farewell to my colleagues, my colleagues who have been part of my life, my second family. For the last 10 years, we had fun times, we had challenging times, and everything in between. It was many moments of a memorable occasion. Thank you so much. Thank you for my colleagues for making me, a better human being, a better teacher. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my team members, who constantly give support, no matter how difficult the situation is. You've all been a great support to me. Thank you, Harvinder ma'am, Vinita ma'am, Deepa, Ravi sir. You've been a constant, staunch supporting factor in my life. Thank you. I'll be missing you. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. That was beautiful. I request Mrs. Sri Rekha to kindly say a few words. Ma'am, kindly come on screen.
Dear Principal Sir, Vinita ma'am, Harvinder ma'am, my dear friends, and everyone present. first of all, I would like to express my gratitude for convening such a meeting and those beautiful words, the presentation, everything. It was quite overwhelming. It was too emotional to hold on to my tears because I don't know if I would be able to see such things, being a part of the FAPES family, all those things, memories, it's quite emotional. And I wouldn't call this a farewell because like Ravi sir said, we are meeting after such a long time, and getting to see you all is the best thing after a long time. And we'll surely be in touch because we have all our social media platforms. We will be in touch. So I don't call this a farewell. I would call this a sort of a bonding that we can forge forward and look forward to. My journey at FAPES has been quite a very enriching one. I carry with me a lot of wealth of knowledge, of experience, of a lot of friendships. I had a lot of friends here. I made a lot of friends, and also of a lot of memories. Everything was a memory. A meeting in the corridor, a class, a staff meeting, a faculty meeting, everything has its own memories. And it became so memorable because in this journey, each one of you were a part of it. And that was what enriched it, because everyone together, directly or indirectly, you've been a part of my life here in FAPES. And these 5 years will go down as one of the best parts in life because I carry back a lot. It's a proud thing to say that I'm associated with this institution and with so many people who have given me so many things. I express my gratitude to each one of you for everything, whatever has, whatever you've given me. Now, when I think back, I really miss a lot of things, little things, big things, whatever. I miss going to school, to class. Okay, I miss going to school actually. I don't miss these online classes though. I miss going to school, the real school, and I miss going to class, miss meeting the children, miss meeting you all in the corridor. I miss break duties and invigilation duties too, because these things do matter now. When these things really happened, I used to cringe, but now even little things matter. And I don't know, I am at the loss of words to say anything more because I miss you all. And thank you very much for everything. I won't take any names because it's a long list. I know, and when I say this, I know whom you all know. I mean everybody. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. I miss you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You all expressed so well your feelings, really. Okay, now before we go ahead, I would like to request Ananya ma'am's department teachers, kindly switch on your cameras. We're going to have a photo together. Can we have you all on the screen, please? Ali sir, could you please click a photograph?
Sir, we can only have 9 at a time. That will not have all the departmental teachers together. Only 9 can fit into the screen. So how will I do? Do 2 shots or 3 shots?
You can take
Arvinda ma'am, how many
you can take that. You can do that. Whichever way is possible.
Please, a teacher. Look.
So we can do one thing. In case if everybody says okay, then we can probably after this, the departments can switch in on Zoom and then take a photo together. Is it possible?
That can be. No, you can do it here also, but you have to be in 2-3 shots.
It's okay. Go ahead, sir. Please go ahead.
Team has not enhanced the 49 cameras?
No, that is end of the month, sir. End of the month.
All right. Okay.
End of the month. July 29. And Theo sir, Kavita ma'am, you did not speak.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I missed on. Kavita ma'am, how could I miss you? I'm so sorry. I was taken, by the words that they said. So I'm so sorry about it. Yes, ma'am. Please come in. I'm extremely sorry for that.
Must be that how to come onto the screen.
No, she knows. She was there. There she is. Kavita ma'am, switch on your video, please.
Can you hear us?
She was here online just for a moment. Just for a second, I saw her. Ah, there she is again. Ah, there she is. But Kavita ma'am, you are not audible. Unmute your mic.
Hello. We aren't able to hear you, ma'am.
Kavita ma'am, unmute your mic.
Okay, till such time ma'am can get on, let's get with Ananya Datta, Mrs. Ananya Datta's department. Teachers, could you please switch on your cameras?
I think Ms. Kavita did speak or it's afterwards.
Sir, we have more than 20 teachers in SST also.
So that means it has to be in at least 3 batches. Because I can see
Otherwise,
only 9 people.
After this, we can log into the Zoom and put it in one.
That can be done,
Anita
sir.
Prasher is not there. She's absent.
Who is
Anita
absent?
Prasher. Anita Prasher, sir. She's gone to the doctor.
Oh, okay. But still, those who are there, we can, for a memory, it is.
Yeah, or we can get in Zoom, sir, because this will also get longer by the time this gets over. So if it's okay, then we'll go ahead. We'll go ahead.
Yeah,
we'll
let us continue, and at the end, we can immediately switch over to Zoom and take the photographs. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Kavita
So
ma'am,
now-
can you hear me?
Kavita ma'am, are you in?
I guess she's got a problem. Anyway, with the system.
No,
let's go
she's
ahead.
only audio
She
is a
is-
problem.
Her mic
I
is.
think she hasn't unmuted her mic.
Yeah,
Rest, I think
unmuted her
everything is okay. I'll just call her.
Please call her. Maybe she's not able to hear as well.
No, she can hear us, but she is unable to unmute, I think.
Kavita ma'am, you have to unmute your mic. Unless and until she has a problem with her microphone.
Here it is seen mic is muted. Then
Sir, you can unmute her from that. You are
Okay,
online, you can unmute her.
I don't know what is wrong, but I am with her on the call. Can you all hear her from my speaker though? Kavita ma'am, can you speak?
Unmuted. Her mic is unmuted. Kavita Kaushik ma'am, mic is unmuted.
Yeah, but you cannot hear me, right?
right now we can hear.
Right now we can hear
Kavita
you.
ma'am, using a mobile, press somewhere in the mobile, you see the mic icon. If it's unmuted, if it's muted, unmute your mic.
Okay, I've unmuted it.
Yeah, now you're audible. Now you're audible.
I would like you to say a few words.
Good afternoon, sir, Ravi sir, Vinita ma'am, Harvinder ma'am, and all my friends. Thank you so much for this beautiful gesture in the middle of all this COVID problems. I would like to thank all of you for making my 4 years at the school memorable. We'll miss all of you. I really hope the next staff trip is to Kerala so that all of us can meet. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And now we all are going to sing the song together for them. May the good Lord bless and keep you.
May the good Lord bless and keep you, whether near or far away. May you find that long-awaited golden day today. May your troubles all be small ones, and your fortune 10 times 10. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May you walk with sunlight shining and a bluebird in every tree. May there be a silver lining back of every cloud you see. Fill your dreams with sweet tomorrows. Never mind what might have been. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. And a bluebird in every tree. Back of every cloud you see. Fill your dreams with sweet tomorrows. Never mind what might have been. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I would like to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistresses, and my fellow teachers. I'd like to specially thank Mr. Bikram Ali for coordinating the online session, Mrs. Famida and Mr. Vinod for the PowerPoint presentation, and Mr. Nageshwar for the beautiful cards that he has made. Thank you so much. On behalf of the entire staff, I wish to thank and wish the very best to our outgoing teachers. Thank you all and have a lovely day. God bless you all.